Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you my green drink recipe right here. This is everything we're working with, and I'm going to start with the greens. Show you what we got. So I get the organic super green blend, has baby chard, organic baby spinach, and organic baby kale. I do a nice helping of this stuff. Fill up this NutriBullet cup, and this is the tall cup. I got this off Amazon. This isn't the regular size, it's the taller one. And I fill it up halfway with these greens. Give it a nice helping. This is the stuff right here. There's no substitute for these greens. You can't just do a green powder and drink it and that's it. You have to get these greens in. This is the stuff. So as you see, I fill it up about halfway. Pack it up. Push it down. Get it in there. Then after that, I add in fruit for some flavor. Blueberries, strawberries, and mango. Again, it's organic. It's good stuff. I fill it up to the top, the other half with fruit. There we go there. Then I add in the green powder as well. And I have the Green Vibrance container. I don't have Green Vibrance in here. I've made my own powders, but this is a great one if you don't want to make your own powders. You can get off Amazon. But I'm going to show you the powders I make. I use ashwagandha, the maca powder, the red reishi mushroom, and then I have the chia seeds, moringa leaf powder, and then also wheatgrass. And I blend all those together and I put them inside the Green Vibrance container. I scoop this comes with the Green Vibrance, this little scooper. I use that, just give it a nice helping, just one scoop, bam. Then I use flaxseed. There, you can get one from Trader Joe's. I just got this other one from Amazon, trying it out. They're pretty much the same thing. I put in a nice little shot of it. Get those omega-3s in there, nice fats, and that's it. So this is your antivirus right here. This is the stuff that the body needs to operate fully. And I blend it up with this NutriBullet right here. That's how it's done. So this is what I do every single day, giving the body the right nutrients. Get in and get after, guys.